Welcome to the course for TSQL programming and scripting. First, thank you all for watching my video. I have get very good response for my Udemy course, which one I have launched for PowerShell, and same thing for I have got for my HTML course also. PowerShell for HTML. After getting like that much people has liked my course, so I have just started my TSQL programming and scripting course in Udemy. Very soon I am going to launch. So in this session, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn how to create a script for dependent job. Dependent job, what is the meaning of this? Means if I have to, once my job A will complete, then only my job B has to start. Till my job A will run, it should not has to trigger the job B. Many in my when I was working in my no company, I have seen some of the job will be scheduled like that, whether the one job is triggering the other job, right? Even the other job will fail, and I was searching like why this, how it is started, and I was not seeing the schedule also, because it is started from the some other job. So there will be happen in the real time, depend upon their requirement. Developer will create, or developer will give the to create the job to the DBAs. Please start, please create the jobs. Just example like start this job, right? My PowerShell something called this job. So once this job will complete, then only this job has to start, right? This is my criteria. And you can see this, if I will go and if I will execute this job, if first I will start my activity monitor. In the activity monitor, I am starting this job, or I can directly, if I'm running the code, once I will started the code, if I will refresh, now you will see this job has been started. Now you will see, once this job will complete, after that it is going to trigger this job. So just wait for 1 minute, because this job will take 1 minute of time to start. See, it is started when this job completed and this job has been started. Or otherwise, people will put this code into this job, and some other job people will create, and what they will do, they will schedule this job like 12 o'clock this job has to start. Once this job will start, this will start this job. Once this will start, it is going to, once this job will start and it will complete, it will trigger some other job. So depending upon you. So now you can see it is completed now. And some of the time people, what happen, no, they will create in this way also, like they having the step 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 state, but in 4 step, when the third step is going to complete it, in fourth step they want to start job A, and once job A will complete, then it has to trigger the job B, and then they have to continue with this. So depending upon their requirement, you have to build the job like this. So how to build this? So if you will understood this code easily, you will able to build this also, and you will able to build any other kind of job, which one I told, dependent job. Here what I have done, I have just declare the variable 1 2 3 4 variable here, and here I am filtering. What I am doing, I am just selecting job ID. I want to find out the job ID for my job. You already know each job having their own job ID. So where I will get the job ID? I will get the job ID from MSDB sys jobs. This is the system table. From here we will able to get the job ID. So if I'm going with a new query, and so if you want to know what is a variable and how to declare the variable, so this everything I have already explained in my Udemy courses. Very soon it is going to be launched on month of August. So so you can go and you can buy that course, and you will understood that TSQL programming and scripting. So I'm writing it. So now I am not focusing on what is the print, what is the variable, what is the global variable. No, just I am focused on the script part. So I will write job ID, print job ID. So if I will go, I will execute. So what is the meaning of this? Means this job ID is this. So I will write double slash and I will write this way. Or otherwise, if you want, if I will filter my select star from sysjobs, what is the I will get? Oh, sorry. I will get like lot of job ID. So each job having their own job ID. So in the first step, what we have done, we have just figure out what is the job ID for that job name. In the next one, what I am doing, we are finding that what is the instance ID. So first understood what is the instance ID. So what I will do, I will go with, I will copy this and I will paste after this. And I will not run this one. I will just copy this first and then I will explain you. Select star from msdb.sys job history. So what you have seen, this is the job ID, because my job history job name is not there. So that's why I have figured out my job ID from sys job, and after that, from that ID we are finding the max instance ID. What is the max instances ID? Max instance ID will be generate each and every time when your job will complete. Job will complete means either it will be successful your job or either it will be fail. Then also your instance ID will be going to be increased. So why we have done this one we will understood later. So what we have done, we have just given here select max ID and from sys job history, and where I'm matching where job ID is equal to job ID means this value means I don't want to take for the all job which job I want to run, means if a job has will completed then job B has to start. So this job A ID, using that ID we are finding max ID. So next what I'm doing in this, what I'm writing, where instance ID, not job ID, ID is equal to what is the job ID? This is the job ID, right? So I don't want to filter the other job. You can see here 80, you can see 3C. There is a lot of job it is there. F6, F3, it is the last 3 digit I'm saying. So I want only which job is required for me, that job I am just finding. So now you can see it is giving the answer for it, right? So in here I am finding the max ID. What is the max ID? Max ID means when the job is going to be completed, it will creating the instance ID. And instance ID, what is the max number? That one we are just figure out here. We are finding it, right? So now you can see it is giving the 100 number. It will give the total 100 number only. So you can see now it is this one. For which job? My PowerShell backup script job. So what I will do, I will run this job again. Let's see, once this job is getting completed, this number will increasing or not. That for that purpose, we have ran this job, because for this job, this is the only ID, and how many times you will run the job, that much ID will be created. That one I told. So let's see, this job has been completed. Now I am going and I am executing this script again. Before, the maximum number was 29651, and now if I'm executing, you can see the number in 100, you can see 29661. So two extra it's came. It is not extra. How many job step you have plus one, it is going to be increased. Like now in this job I having only one step, so that's why 1 plus 1. If you have 7 steps, right, then if you are putting here, it will display the result 7 plus 1. So how many steps you have plus 1, it is going to be display. Okay, so we have figured out this one, right? Okay, till here you don't have any doubt. Okay, coming with the next, it is a set it done here. If you will not declare this, then also it is fine. This is the function we will discuss later, and this is going to give the result into the integer only, so that one we don't want to discuss. So till here what you understood, we are going to we have just find out the name, and in this name we found out the job ID. After that, using that job ID, we have figured out the max instance ID. Once we have figured out everything, what we are doing, we are just starting this job, right? This job we are starting this job. After that, I am writing the while statement. So in this while statement, what we are giving, we are just writing here select max instance ID. What is the max instance ID? It is and finding from sys.sys history. So what code I have written here, this is the only same code I have written here. If you will see select max instance ID from sys.sys history, where job ID is equal to job ID and step ID is 0, that what I have given here, right? So I have given here is equal to, I have make the max ID. So max ID means I am saving this value here, right? So this max ID is not going to change, but this is going to be changed. How the while loop will work? While loop will work continuously. When your condition will be failed, then only it will come out for the loop. When your condition is become true, it will be go again, like it will go here, and the condition is satisfied means what is the value of this and this, both is become same. So this, it will be wait for the delay, right? When the condition is true, it will go inside the loop, right? And inside the loop I have given the wait for the delay. So what is going to happen? This value and this value is same, right? Why it is same? Because its job is executing, right? So this job is executing for 10 seconds, just example. So what will happen in the first second, this value is same, it will come here, it will wait for 1 second, it will go again in second also, it is not going to be changed. In the third second, what will happen? It is not going to change because job will take 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, this value is going to be increased, because you know max ID will always increase once your job will complete. So your job will complete, this ID, this value of this is going to be changed, right? And this value will never change because we have get from here, right, from this variable. So this is the because while loop will only rotate with this two loop, right? So this value is coming from above. So what is the value? It is there, it will be stored here only, but here it is continuously, it is checking with your SQL Server. So this value is changed, right? So once this value is changed, this both will not match. Once this both will not match, the meaning of this means your job has been completed, right? So once your job is completed, it will go and it will trigger this job, right? After that, again, I have written something called some finding some max ID and all. So this time, if you want to print your max ID will be different, right? Max ID will be different, will come, and here it is status. If you want to display status, is nothing but if your the status is 0, the meaning of this means job has been failed, and status is 1 means job has completed successfully. You can write if and else loop here if the status is something called 0 and then something. So you can write in this way. You can create the database mail configuration also. You can write here if the status is 0, send the mail like this job is failed, or otherwise something, some report you want to send, this job is failed at this time, something, some, that also you will be able to do. You can use the database mail configuration also, you can schedule that also, you will be able to do. So like that, and same this script I am going to put into this, okay, here. So once you are going to start this job, what it will do, this will start your this job. And once this job will start, because in this logic you have written what these things, right? So running this job means you are executing this script only. What is this script having? This script having to start this job, and once this job will complete, start your cleanup job. That also will do 7-step. You have 7-step job, and you want here in after when the third step will complete, in the fourth step it has to start some job A. So you can put the same script here also. If you are going to put this script here, what will happen? Once your third step will complete, then fourth step will going to start that other job, then that job will complete, then it is going to trigger some other job. and then fifth, sixth, seven, eight is going to be completed. Everything depend upon the requirement. It is not like what I told. Maybe this is not useful for someone, but it will be very useful who those who require this to be completed. So that's why please watch my video, guys. Please subscribe my channel, right? Please subscribe my channel, and please continue watch my all video. So guys, I forget to tell you, please like and subscribe my channel. If you like my channel and if you're going to subscribe it, so whatever new video that I'm going to launch, you will be able to see that all video. Even I have created Udemy course. So in the Udemy course, you can go and you can buy this course. Just see what are these two course is available in internet in the Udemy. So you can see I have created my course that is for PowerShell scripting automation for SQL Server DBA. I will provide you the link. And one more course is available that is called PowerShell for HTML or health check report. And very soon I am going to publish my TSQL course also. So please go visit my course and please buy this course from the Udemy. And I will be always available for you to help for the any code if you have doubt, right? So you can WhatsApp me. I will give you the last my WhatsApp number. I will give my email number also. So you can call me, you can email me, you can message me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.